Let's read the given statement in this question. The delicious and the vast menu choices dash the authentic and quaint decor. Now, what are the answer options to fill this blank? Contribute to the popularity of the Chinese restaurant as does, contributes to the popularity of the Chinese restaurant as greatly as, contributes as greatly to the popularity of the Chinese restaurant as do, contribute to the popularity of the Chinese restaurant as do. Okay, so now here the difference between options begins from the very first word, contribute and contributes, right? Now contributes in options B and C are singular verbs, while contribute in options A and D are plural verbs. So if we have singular, what's the subject for this particular statement? The first part of the statement, the delicious and the vast menu choices. So here the subject is choices, which is plural. So since plural nouns are followed by plural verbs, therefore options, we are left with options A and D, and we can safely eliminate B and C because both of them contain singular verb forms which are contributes. Right, now of options A and D, now the difference between A and D is this: as does, option A contains as does and option D says so do. Now here as does will depend upon the other subject that we have in this particular statement. Here the first subject is choices and the second subject is decor. Decor is singular or plural? The word decor is certainly singular, and therefore it should be preceded by a singular helping verb which is does and not do. Okay, so here the subjects are not authentic and quaint. Here the subject is decor, right? So therefore the correct answer is option A, and option D is therefore can therefore be eliminated. So the correct statement should be: the delicious and vast menu choices contribute to the popularity of the Chinese restaurant as does the authentic and the quaint decor.